Welcome to my Right Path Educare YouTube channel, the world of GK and informative videos. Today, we are presenting quiz video related to facts on India Independence Day in the form of multiple choice questions with their correct answers. So, enjoy and get the right knowledge on this topic. Question number 1. Where does the Prime Minister of India hoist the national flag on August 15th? Correct answer is the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi on August 15th. Question number 2. When and where was India's national flag hoisted for the first time? Correct answer is India's national flag was first hoisted on August 7, 1906 at Parsi Bagan Square, Kolkata. Question number 3. How many years did the British rule India? Correct answer is the British ruled India for approximately 200 years. Question number 4. From which city did the East India Company begin trade in India? Correct answer is the East India Company began trade in India from Surat city of Gujarat. Question number 5. Why Lord Mountbatten chose August 15th as India's Independence Day? Correct answer is Lord Mountbatten chose August 15th as India's Independence Day because it marked the second anniversary of Japan Allied Force surrender. Question number 6. When did Jawaharlal Nehru take oath as Prime Minister of India? Correct answer is Jawaharlal Nehru took oath as Prime Minister of India on August 15, 1947. Question number 7. Which political party came to power after India gained independence? Correct answer is the Indian National Congress came to power after India gained independence. Question number 8. Who was the last Governor General of India? Correct answer is C. Rajagopalachari was the last Governor General of India. Question number 9. When did the Governor General system end in India? Correct answer is the Governor General system was end in India on January 26, 1950. Question number 10. Who designed India's national flag, the tricolour? Correct answer is Pingali Venkaiah designed India's national flag. Question number 11. How many spokes are there in the Ashoka Chakra? Correct answer is there are 24 spokes in the Ashoka Chakra. Question number 12. What does the Indian national flag symbolize? Correct answer is the Indian national flag symbolizes sacrifice, peace, and prosperity. Question number 13. What is the national anthem of independent India? Correct answer is Jan Gan Man is the national anthem of independent India. Question number 14. Who wrote India's national anthem Jan Gan Man? Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore wrote India's national anthem Jan Gan Man. Question number 15. Who wrote the song Vande Mataram? Correct answer is Bankim Chandra Chatterjee wrote the song Vande Mataram. Question number 16. In which year was the Rowlatt Act passed? Correct answer is Rowlatt Act was passed in 1919. Question number 17. Which European group came first to India as traders before independence? Correct answer is Portuguese. Among the European group, first came as traders to India before independence. Question number 18. Which British law sparked outrage among Indians and led to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Correct answer is Rowlatt Act sparked outrage among Indians and led to the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. Question number 19. What historic event is associated with April 6, 1930 in India's freedom struggle? Correct answer is Dandi March by Mahatma Gandhi is associated with April 6, 1930 in India's freedom struggle. Question number 20. In which year did the Muslim League demand a separate state for Muslims? Correct answer is the Muslim League demanded a separate state for Muslims in 1940. Question number 21. During which event did the Swadeshi movement begin in India? Correct answer is Swadeshi movement began in India during anti-partition movement of Bengal. Question number 22. Which party was in power in Britain when India gained independence? Correct answer is Labour Party was in power in Britain when India gained independence. Question number 23. Who was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of India's independence? Correct answer is Clement Attlee was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of India's independence. Question number 24. In which session did the Indian National Congress declare Purn Swaraj as its goal? Correct answer is Indian National Congress declared Purn Swaraj as its goal during Lahore 1929 session. Question number 25. Who was the Governor General of India during the Sepoy Revolt 1857? Correct answer is Lord Canning was the Governor General of India during the Sepoy Revolt 1857. Dear friends, thank you for watching this video. How did you like this quiz video? Hoping that you gained some informative knowledge today. You may give your feedback in the comment section. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and yes, do not forget to press the bell button. See you again with a new informative quiz video. Thank you.